Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to talk about PPE. PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment. Personal protective equipment can be anything we place on our bodies to help keep us safe in the workplace. They can be garments, they can be shoes, they can be anything really. So today we're going to talk about the most commonly used forms of PPE and really what they're used for. PPE is used to help keep workplace injuries low. They help keep your body safe, and really you should be selecting PPE to help minimize your exposure to any associated risk in the workplace. And part of that involves being aware of your surroundings, being aware of the potential hazards in the workplace. So the first form of PPE I'm going to talk about are boots. Mine happen to be steel-toe boots. They make steel-toe boots and also composition boots, which are a little bit lighter than the steel toes. Next thing I'm going to talk about are the soles. You can buy different types of soles in the boots. They can be conductive soles, they can be electrically rated soles for high voltage areas. And the next form of PPE, number 2, that I'm going to talk about, you will see these in many different shapes, forms, sizes, and colors. This is a hard hat. It has an adjustable band in the back to adjust to your particular head. This one's made by 3M. I prefer this myself. It seems to work well for me. Seems to be pretty comfortable too. Next form of PPE that I'm going to talk about is your vest. This is a yellow-orange vest. It also has reflective material on the front of it and a zipper to help keep it close to your body. This one also happens to have a couple pockets, which I like for keeping things like earplugs in it. Next form of PPE I'm going to talk about are glasses. This particular pair of glasses is made by Bearcat. They're clear and they help keep your eyes safe, and if you're working around sawdust or any types of airborne materials, even if you have materials that might possibly come and damage your eyes, these will help keep you safe. So protective glasses, that's really important. Next form of PPE I'm going to talk about are earplugs. I'm not going to put these on like I have with the other stuff, but earplugs are important if you're working in areas where there are loud noises, really high decibel levels in terms of noise and sounds. Any big booms, you want to make sure you have earplugs. Next form of PPE I'm going to talk about are masks. This is respiratory safety. This helps ensure that you're not breathing in any bad airborne molecules or let's say sawdust or whatever it is that you guys are doing. This will help keep you safe. If there's smoke in the area, a mask will be very important, and a respirator. Next form of PPE that I'm going to talk about are gloves. They make different kinds of gloves. These are leather gloves. I like to use these for landscaping. Rubber gloves, different things, cleaning. These are good to be used. Nitrite gloves are good for auto body work or mechanic work. Anything that has a lot of oil involved, nitrite gloves, really good, and check those out. Next thing I'm going to talk about are garments. Be sure to select proper garments. That's really important if you're working in ESD safe areas where electrostatic discharge is important to watch out for. If you're working around electronics, be sure to wear your conductive clothing. If you're working in high voltage areas or areas like a refinery, be sure to wear your FR clothing. FR stands for fire rated clothing. Be safety conscious. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to hit those couple points, and have a great day. Stay safe.